You know, wouldn't it be cool if you can play games within servers with your friends and fans without actually downloading any games? Now, there is a built-in game feature within Discord, and that is called Activities. And you can simply get access to that by joining a voice channel, and then at the bottom here, you're going to see a rocket icon. You simply click on there, and there are a bunch of games, around 13 to 15 at the moment, and that is actually pretty cool. Now, the question arises, is this available on both desktop and mobile devices? The answer is yes. Specifically for mobile devices, it just got released a few weeks ago from the time uploading this video. Now, is this for free? The answer is, it depends. So most of the games here are Nitro subscribed feature. However, there are a game or two which Discord usually change from time to time that you can play for a limited time. And the game stays for too long, so you don't have to worry. And aside from that, there is also a YouTube feature which I'm going to make a separate video about, but it's basically you can also watch YouTube videos directly within Discord with other people. So the next step, if you want to host a game, you just click on that specific game and you may get a pop-up at the top of your screen, and all you need to do is just click authorize so you can have access to the game. Now, if you want to join someone who's already playing, you just go to the voice channel and then you click join activity. And if you're the owner of the server, you can actually modify this feature within your server. And there are two different ways. You can either go to your server settings and then you go to the roles and click on the role that you want to change the permission on. Then you go to permissions and scroll all the way down towards the VC section, and then you can enable or disable the option called use activities. The same goes with the channel settings, so you just go to the channel settings right here, go to the permissions, scroll a bit down, and then you can enable or disable the activity through here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And it's actually a really cool feature. You can use it in various different ways. You can host it as event, or you can play with your friends and server members to pass your time and so on. Anyways, that is all for today. Let me know in the comments down below which one of these games are your favorite ones. Quite curious to know. And aside from that, see you in the upcoming video, and peace out.